Very good morning to one and all. It's been a very long time since we have not communicated nor we have not seen through something else. Today we are going to see some different topic which gives us a clear knowledge of how and what to do. Not in the recent days, but in the olden days, if you take our grandparents nor our parents, probably there was a time where letters were very popular during those period. People from different ages, starting from a very or a young age, starting like 16 to 17 age, if you begin till 35 or till 60 also, people were writing letters and they were sending through pigeon. In those days and all, there were no telegram, there were no telegraph, there were no emails, messages, mobile phones and all. So people used to do is they used to write letter to convey a message to somebody, not to somebody like whatever message may be. It may be a happy message or it may be a sad message, it may be a death news, it may be the wedding invitation, whatever may be. People used letters and they sent through pigeon all over the world. Because as there were no technology improvements during those period, people were not able to use messages nor communication devices. So what they did particularly is they started writing letters to their dear ones. If they wanted to write a letter to their wife, not to their mother, if some people will be working in army or who will be very far from houses and all, they used to write letters and they used to send. So during that period, they were given importance to letter and people started writing letters during those period. After letter only slow, very inch by inch, many technology improvements have come and people started taking over the technology improvements as they overcome. But still, till even today, many don't know how to use mobile phones. In our ages or in after 90s period and all, people are very familiar with whatever mobile phone they have. But before 80s or before 70s and all, people are not aware of how to use mobile phones even today. Not everyone, but very far, maybe 50-50 or 40-60, that category. Because few are not interested in learning things like that, and few are like, okay, this is enough for us. Even the technology have improved so much, that is, we can do whatever we want from sitting here, and we can do things in America also. Technology has improved so that much. But people of today are not aware of, even though if we take our relatives particularly, few people have started traveling abroad, that is foreign countries. If they go there, we are not able to speak, we cannot write letter and we cannot send through pigeon these days. So as the technology has improved so much, we are doing WhatsApp video call and normal video call, DO video call, IMO calls. All these things have started improving so much. So people are like, okay, it is fine. We can use the technology and we can go wherever we want. In that aspect, people have come. But as I told you, maybe our mothers or our grandparents and all, they are like, okay, don't want, we can use just button phone and all. So even the technology has improved so much and we are very much living a very comfortable life, even though, but things cannot replace letters, because letters are the things that touches our heart. Even though if you take a mobile phone, if they send a very emotional message to you, whoever may be, a mother, your son, your daughter, a lover, a boyfriend, a friend, whoever you can take. But if you send a text message, if your mobile gets lapsed or if you miss your mobile, all that messages will be deleted. But letters are not like that. We can keep it safely and we can read whenever we want. So even though technology has improved so much, letters cannot be replaced and it can never be replaced. So today we are going to see a very what are the kinds of letters we have and how we want to write the letters. That's what we are going to see in this video. Okay, so as these are the kinds of things that we have seen, let's get into the topic today. Letters. I have given a very brief description of what are letters, right? So if you take generally letters are categorized into two categories mainly: formal letter and informal letter. Formal letter can also be called as official letters. Informal letters can also be called as personal letters. If you take these two categories, formal letters can be categorized into these categories. Apart from these, we have few more also, but that is not considered particularly. So these are the four categories that mainly comes under formal category. So first one is a complaint letter, enquiry letter, order and editor. It is nothing but writing a complaint letter to someone as you missed something. A gold you have missed, a bike you have missed, a car you have missed. All these are complaint letters. Next, inquiry. You are inquiring about something. For example, if you want to purchase one 10 AC for your school or 10 AC for your home or something, you can inquiry them regarding the cost of that and discount that they are going to give you. Apart from that, we can generally, if you take schools or colleges, they'll order books and they'll order books, uniforms, that tie, belt, all these things. For that and all, they'll inquiry up to 2 or 3 companies regarding this, and they'll pick up the best offer that they give. So inquiry letter. Next, ordering. Ordering can be anything. Ordering goods, ordering vehicles, ordering things, whatever may be, that comes under order category. Then the last one is editor of a newspaper. Editor of a newspaper is nothing but you are writing that particular letter to tell your own views to the people in and around you. It can be a general category, like you can write a complaint also to the editor, like municipality has not taken any steps for cleaning the garbages in your area, or you can talk about nuisance of loudspeakers. You can talk about anything. It can generally express your own views to somebody around you, and you can raise your voice to get a solution from them. So these are the 4 letters that comes under formal or official category. Then, as I told you, informal letters, it is personal letter, right? So you can write your friends, not your family. I told you that if you want to convey our emotions together, few people, if you take generally, few people cannot talk in person, but they can write up so much and they can give their own description however they want. So for that people and all, this will be very useful. So these are the 6 categories that have that are in letter category. Today in this video that we are just going to see what are the rules that has to be followed while writing a formal and for informal. Only for one example I'll give you for both things. The same will be followed for everything. Okay. As I have told you, I have given an editor of a newspaper letter here, for example, to you. Okay. We are just going to see the format only. You can make up sentences on your own. This is formal category, editor of a newspaper you are writing. During that period and all, we used to give from, to, respected sir, subject, yours faithfully, thanking you, all that will be there. So these days there is no from and to you are mentioning. Just from the margin side nearby you are writing from address. That is, this is my address, 173 T Nagar, Chennai. So this is your own address, that is from address. Then followed by that you want to leave a line or you want to leave some space. After that you can write the date that you are writing. On what date you are writing the letter. That should be mentioned here. Followed by that, to whom you are writing the letter. As I told you, I have given the editor of a newspaper here. So I have mentioned the editor here. The editor, here what you want to notice, you want to mention this in capital letter. E should be in capital, T should be in capital. Followed by this, the Hindu, H should be capital. Whatever newspaper you write, whatever newspaper name you mention, it can be the Times of India, the Deccan Chronicle, the Hindu, the Chronicles, whatever English newspapers you have or whatever newspaper you write, you want to mention that with a capital letter. So the Hindu, the editor you are writing, followed by that you want to mention the... So we want to mention that as the Hindu newspaper, the editor you are writing, the editor who is working in Hindu newspaper, and followed by that Chennai, the place you have mentioned. After that you want to leave some space, followed by that you want to write subject regarding what you are writing letter. Here I have mentioned as nuisance of speakers regarding, that is in your area there are many speakers surrounded, so you cannot, it is very disturbance to you. So for that I am writing letter. Then followed by this, see here, I have mentioned a hyphen followed by that REGD. REGD is nothing but regarding. I have mentioned in a short form. Okay. The same will be followed for all the kind of letter. It can be inquiry letter or order form, same from and to. Only this content will be changed because I have mentioned here the editor. If you are writing a complaint letter to a police officer, you can mention as the inspector of police, B1 police station, Chennai. Complaint letter you can mention like that. And if you are complaining about a wardrobe that you have purchased a wardrobe very recently but it is not working properly or the paint is not clear. For that, if you are writing complaint letter to the electricals, that is the Shoptronics or whatever company may be, if you are getting for that, or furniture shop, whatever may be, So for that, if you are writing a letter, for that you want to mention it as the store manager or the manager, wooden furnitures or washing machine, wardrobe, whatever content you can have. If you have Shartronics or the electrical shop, you can mention it as, and followed by that you can write the place name. And the next one, if you are writing for ordering of goods, also the same thing. So you just want to change this one particular content, the same will be followed. You want to make it very sure whenever you write, the starting should be in capital. If you write the address, comma and full stop is necessary. Here also 23rd August, comma 2020. You should not write it as 23/8/20. You should not write. You want to write the month in a number word form. Then followed by this comma and full stop. Subject, which should be mentioned punctuation. Followed by this you want to write it. Finally, if you are writing sir, comma, you can mention it as through this letter, I would like to inform you my problems of facing in my locality. What are the problems that he has faced? Nuisance of speakers. In my area, there are many loudspeakers in and around there. So many heart patients are there, many school children are there, and many small babies are there. People cannot sleep peacefully as it is very noise. It is beyond the noise level, so we cannot sleep peacefully. So kindly take necessary actions and give us a solution as soon as possible. You can just frame sentences. If you frame a long sentences, then there will be a lot of grammatical mistakes. So make sure you are framing sentences in a very simple way so that you can avoid grammatical mistakes and there will be not that much difficulties in writing it. So just make sure you are doing it. So followed by that you can finish it off, and I'll tell you now followed by this how to conclude the letter now. Now we are going to see informal letter. I have already given you a formal letter sample because so that you will be able to write as it is without any confusion. Okay, followed by that we are going to see informal. Informal is very easy when you compare with formal, because I have already told you that whenever you write a formal letter, all the contents, that is from address till the last one, all should touch the margin and you have to follow that. But here in the informal letter, you need not worry about that because address should be in the right side corner. I have given the same address because there should not be any confusion for you. So I have given the same address. Here I have told you while writing the formal letter, you want to mention the month in a word form. Not here, it is not necessary. You can mention in numbers nor words. Anything is fine over there. So just mention T Nagar, Chennai and the date. Followed by that you can mention it as dear something. So dear something, it can be a friend, a mother, a father, whoever may be. So you can mention as it is here. So followed by this, what you want to do is you can write the content here. What is the content here you may think of? Content is nothing but the thing that you describe about what you're going to write a letter. For example, if you generally take a letter that you are writing to your cousin for appreciating him for his success in some competitions like athlete competition, in that aspect if you take it is like he has successfully completed his first attempt of an athlete in a district level zonal match. So how you can start that it as, hi, how are you? I am fine. Hope to hear the same from you. How are all at home? You can start up like that. Then I hear that you have successfully won the competition that held in your district and I'm very proud of you. It's been a very long time since we have met, so it will be better if you come during your holidays. We can enjoy here as much as we can. So you can mention that and finally you can conclude as it is with love and the regards. You can mention the name as you wish. So most probably in our CBSE curriculum, there is nothing a big deal like mostly they are giving you formal letters, especially that too for writing a letter to the editor of a newspaper. So if you are clear with that editor of a newspaper, it will be very easy for you to write it. That's why I have given that particular example for you here. In the upcoming videos, I'll be giving you many samples to write on your own. In this, you just try it up on your own. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the next session. So make sure you write it and make sure you have to use the punctuations very clearly while you write. If you have any doubts in the upcoming videos, we can clear it everything. Okay, thank you. Now we are going to see informal letter. I have already given you a formal letter sample because so that you will be able to write as it is without any confusion. Okay, followed by that we are going to see informal. Informal is very easy when you compare with formal, because I have already told you that whenever you write a formal letter, all the contents, that is from address till the last one, all should touch the margin and you have to follow that. But here in the informal letter, you need not worry about that, because address should be in the right side corner. I have given the same address because there should not be any confusion for you. So I have given the same address. Here I have told you, while writing the formal letter, you want to mention the month in a word form. Not here, it is not necessary. You can mention in numbers nor words. Anything is fine over there. So just mention T Nagar, Chennai and the date. Followed by that you can mention it as dear something. So dear something, it can be a friend, a mother, a father, whoever may be. So you can mention as it is here. So followed by this, what you want to do is, you can write the content here. What is the content here you may think of? Content is nothing but the thing that you describe about what you're going to write letter. For example, if you the content that you mentioned here should be like very precise one. That is, you can mention it as hi, how are you, I'm fine, the general description. And if you take a congratulation letter, you can congratulate your cousin generally, like I'm very happy to hear that you have succeeded in your athlete competition, wishing you many more success in the upcoming years. That is, you can mention. And finally you can conclude with convey my regards to uncle or aunt, waiting to hear a reply from you. Like in that aspect you can conclude with very few examples that comes on your mind. And finally you can conclude with love the name. So you, after mentioning that particular thing, you can conclude the letters. But in CBSE criteria, generally you will have mostly editor of a newspaper letter only. That's why I have particularly given you that example in the previous one. So you write few examples on your own by yourself. In the upcoming videos, I'll be giving you many examples, and in the upcoming sessions, we can see many examples also. So if you have any doubts also, you can ask me anytime. See you in the next video. Thank you.